Hey, what's going on, guys? Well, I'm about to make a short video about Funko Pops. I just got the the Mega Darth Vader Funko Pop. So let me show you how it came. Came in a pretty big box, which is of course, an 18-inch regular Funko Pop, but it's called Mega. It's called Mega Star Wars Darth Vader Mega Pop. Okay, here's the box that came inside of another box. As you can tell, it's a pretty big box. You see there. "18 inches or 46 centimeters. Star Wars Darth Vader. It is a vinyl figure. It's not a bobblehead because it is too heavy. So let's show you what it looks like. Alright guys, here it is. You can tell it's pretty big. The design on this is very, very cool. So awesome. Alright. Now I have a regular size pop so you can see the difference side by side. This is a bobblehead Darth Vader, you can tell. And of course, we have also a beady pop Darth Vader. Let me see if that's zoom in. It's not focusing for some reason. Okay, there you go. So there you have it. You have the Mega Pop, regular pop, and of course the beady pop. So that's just a quick video to show you guys the size difference between the Funko Pops that I have, which is my first Mega Pop. Most likely would be my last one, unless Funko makes one for Superman, which is one of my favorite characters besides Darth Vader. So if you guys like this video and you want more Funko Pop content, those are Priscilla's pops right there. And then you have my side of the office. You have my pops here. I have that space, that's where my Darth Vader goes, my new Mega Pop. These are my other Funkos. I don't have that many. And of course, my beady pops are right here. And I have some over here. So yeah, if you guys like the video, you want to see more content with Funko Pops, leave a comment, let me know which is your favorite one. Is it the Mega, the Beady Pop, or the regular Pop? And if you want to see more content with my other pops, and I could let you know in detail where I got it from and how much. And yeah, that's all for today. Have a good one, guys. Take care. May the force be with you.